Welcome back, savvy shoppers and aspiring mechanics. Are you ready to unlock the secret to effortless car repairs? Dive into the world of transmission jacks. Today, we'll show you why this essential tool should be in every DIY enthusiast's garage. Whether you're lifting heavy transmissions or making your life easier during repairs, a quality transmission jack transforms hard work into smart work. Plus, stick around to discover exclusive deals that you won't want to miss out on. So, grab your tools, and let's get started on elevating your auto game. Number 5. VEVOR Transmission Jack, your ultimate companion for hassle-free transmission installations and removals. This hydraulic jack boasts an impressive 1,322 pound super bearing capacity, ensuring unmatched stability during maintenance tasks. With an effortless hydraulic lifting system, simply use the foot pedal to heighten the jack from 34.3 inch to 68.5, allowing you to work comfortably while standing or sitting. Worried about stability? The reliable saddle is secured with upgraded screws, offering a 30 degrees tilt adjustment to accommodate various transmission shapes securely. Navigating your workshop is a breeze with the 4 swivel wheels, 2 of which are lockable to prevent sliding. Built to last, this durable transmission jack is made from robust steel and comes in tight packaging, protecting your investment during transport. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the VEVOR Transmission Jack is designed for those who demand quality and performance in a transmission jack. Number 4. Iglobalbuy Transmission Jack is the ultimate tool for any mechanic needing a reliable solution for installing or removing transmissions. With its impressive 1,400 pounds rated load and a telescoping 2-stage hydraulic ram, it offers an adjustable height range from 34 inch to 68, making it perfect for various vehicles. The innovative foot-operated pedal provides enhanced security and effortless lifting, allowing mechanics to focus on aligning the transmission without hassle. Designed for stability and maneuverability, the jack features a wide heavy-duty 4-leg base and 360-degree swivel casters, ensuring easy movement and greater control. The fully adjustable saddle, complete with corner brackets, accommodates a max 30 degrees tilt range, affording precise positioning of the load. Its strong steel construction and durable paint coat finish guarantee longevity, making the Iglobalbuy Transmission Jack a smart investment for any garage. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, this transmission jack is a must-have for your toolkit. Number 3. Powerbuilt 2-ton triple lift floor jack, your ultimate solution for lifting cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, and even transmissions. With its patented triple lift design, this versatile jack provides an impressive lifting range from a low of 5.5 inches all the way up to 17.5 inches. Say goodbye to multiple jacks cluttering your garage. This all-in-one tool excels in stability, thanks to a wide wheelbase and included tie-down loops for extra security. Plus, the innovative locking safety bar allows you to easily maintain the raised position without the hassle of jack stands. Strong and durable, this jack holds up to 4,000 pounds and meets or exceeds ASME and PALD standards. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned mechanic, the Powerbuilt triple lift floor jack is perfect for any transmission jack needs, making car maintenance safer and easier than ever. Number 2. AFF LowProfile Manual Hydraulic Transmission Floor Jack, expertly designed for those in need of reliability and efficiency when tackling light-duty transmissions and gas tanks. With an impressive 450 pounds capacity, this jack features a scissor lift design that ensures maximum clearance for low-profile applications. The durable high-grade steel body can easily handle the rigors of automotive tasks, while the adjustable saddle allows for precise positioning and alignment. Maneuvering is a breeze, thanks to the 4 professional-grade ball-bearing swivel casters. Safety is paramount, and the included durable nylon safety strap secures your load for peace of mind. Whether you're a professional mechanic or an enthusiastic DIYer, the AFF Transmission Jack is the perfect companion for your automotive projects. Number 1. Sunex 7793B, a top-tier transmission jack designed to make your automotive lifting tasks seamless and efficient. This innovative jack features a foot-activated pump pedal, allowing for hands-free raising of the rams, so you can focus on your work without interruption. With an impressive maximum height of 74 inches, it easily accommodates various vehicle types, supporting mechanics in getting the job done with ease. The lowered telescopic rams allow the transmission to be expertly transferred from the jack to the work table, streamlining the entire process. Safety is paramount, which is why the nylon strap tie-down securely holds the load to the saddle, preventing any unwanted shifts during operation. Additionally, the built-in overload valve ensures the jack can't be pushed beyond its rated capacity, providing peace of mind while you work. The Sunex 7793B is truly a reliable tool for any automotive professional, simplifying the transmission handling process. In conclusion, a transmission jack is an essential tool for anyone working on vehicles, offering convenience and safety during transmission replacements and repairs. By choosing the right jack and using it properly, you can make your job easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to share this video with others who might benefit from it.